like to welcome you to our latest listing at 1423 East Lovebird Lane in Gilbert, Arizona 85297. We are extremely excited to have the opportunity to show you this beautiful home. It is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it is located in the heart of Gilbert. We'd like to take you through it at this time. Welcome into this home. Once again, 2,771 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and as you can see, a gorgeous living area. Enjoy the beautiful Arizona sunset sitting out by the beautiful outdoor fire pit.